Hey everyone, this is Ryan B, the Practical Forex Trading. This is your weekly analysis for UK oil, Brent Crude. The date is March 21st, 2021. It's 9:18 a.m. Eastern Standard Time here in the States. If you want to stay up to date with all of our videos, make sure you click subscribe in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. And if you want to have some help learning how to trade, check out our course on the Udemy platform, and the link is in the video description. Okay, so we're looking at a multi-decade chart. I went ahead and pulled out the multi-decade monthly chart for oil just to see where things stand. And you can see my sentiment is mixed. I'm looking for a monthly close above 69 per barrel to be bullish. However, it seems like we're really heading that direction for a few reasons. US dollar softness, I am planning it for to continue. Even though Treasury bond yields have been going up, I think we're hitting a limit. So look at this chart, goes all the way back to 1998. And I went ahead and didn't put any trend lines in here because if I'm thinking about trend lines, you could really draw this a lot of ways, right? You could be pretty subjective and it's really kind of going sideways. I don't really have a good trend. So just looking at it from a horizontal grid type analysis, this range, we see that prices are at the top of the range. However, this monthly candle has not closed out yet. And this is a pretty, fierce uptrend. You have to watch out when trends really kick or almost goes vertical. You have to watch out because typically their momentum will carry them to new places that they haven't been before. So I'm waiting to see what this month does. But if we close above 69 per barrel, above this, essentially the top of this range, we can see here right around 68. So this month we already poked through to close to 72, but we haven't closed. However, sometimes price can kind of act like a sword or a needle, pushing into resistance or support. And it'll do that, and then it'll come back, and then it'll ease on through. So we see here right now, we're currently below the 200-month moving average, but we have just in fact touched it. And so this is pretty significant. You can see when prices were either on top of that or the bottom of that, that they really moved in a certain direction. So let's look at the weekly and get some more intraday action, see what's coming up this week. Okay, here we go. So once again, now prices, right, they popped through the last couple of weeks, but then this is a pretty bearish candle indeed. However, now price is sitting on top of the 200-week moving average, and here comes the 20 fast. It's coming out like a rocket. So once these collide, I expect more pressure from the downside to push up and actually push prices out of this range. Now that would be really significant because prices have stayed in this range since the 2016. Actually, let's go back to 2015. So if we break out of here, next stop would be 85 per barrel. And then if it clears that, we've also got resistance at right around the 100 per barrel. And that's one of those psychological numbers that do impact the market. And then beyond that, we've got 120 per barrel. So yeah, I guess maybe I should change this to bullish. So until this happens, I am mixed, but I'm leaning on the side of bullish, looking for oil to really take off here next few weeks. All right, if you have a different opinion or want to chime in on what you think price action is going to do, feel free to leave a comment on the video below. All right, take it easy. Hope you make lots of cash this week. Bye.